Hello, I'm Sian Furlong-Davis and I'm the Director of the Career Service here at Aberystwyth University. The focus of this talk is to show you the broad range of career development opportunities we have to offer at Aberystwyth University and how you can get involved in preparing yourself for life after graduation. This doesn't mean planning out your entire future from day one, just that you're more aware of how to get the most out of your time at university, along with some helpful tips on how to get started. First of all, what is it that employers are looking for? What can you focus on to make yourself as attractive as possible when entering the world of work? Well, you may be surprised to learn that there's often quite a big difference between the expectations of our new students and what prospective employers tell us that they look for. The main reason a lot of our students come to university is to get a degree in order to help their career prospects in the future. A degree opens doors, giving entry to a broader range of career choices and potentially getting the individual promoted sooner. While this is true, it's not the whole picture. Vice-Chancellor of Exeter University, Steve Smith, who was formerly at Aberystwyth, so still part of our family, has some insights into what stands out with employers. Employers want graduates who can show that they have joined in, worked as a team, shown leadership, or spent time travelling and experiencing new situations and cultures. Everything you do socially, academically, and in the workplace can make you employable, as long as you can reflect on your experiences, understand their value, and explain their value to someone else. More than 50% of graduate employers do not mind what subject you study, as long as you can show how your experiences have shaped your personal development. When you look at application forms these days, you'll notice that their questions aren't just about your academic achievements, but also your personal experiences and skills. A commitment to getting involved, whether it's a part-time job, work experience, a research placement, or joining some of our clubs and societies, shows a dedication to your personal development that really stands out for potential employers. But what do we at Aberystwyth University offer specifically? What opportunities do we have open to you to give you the best possible edge in the competitive world of work? Well, first of all, our career service at Aberystwyth works closely with all academic departments, making sure that you get a comprehensive professional background along with your studies. You won't recognise it as a separate careers education programme. Instead, developing your abilities for a future career is tied in with your degree, ensuring that you gain relevant, applicable skills throughout your time at university. Your lectures, seminars, workshops and practical sessions all lend some focus to preparing you for your future. We also arrange for employers and Aberystwyth alumni to visit and give talks, answer your questions, share unique opportunities, contribute to your course and offer their perspectives on the best ways to prepare yourself for a career. There are many events hosted by the Career Service, all of them invaluable to gaining that professional edge. Of course, work experience and internships are also great opportunities to gain professional knowledge that will complement your academic expertise. We have a range of options depending on the time you can commit, from a few hours experience shadowing someone in a work environment, or a several-month placement over your summer holidays, to full 12-month internships in a professional environment. Unique to Aberystwyth University is the Aber Forward programme that offers our students and our graduates a range of work experience opportunities here on campus, contributing to our newer projects and research, as well as supporting many developments across the institution. From part-time casual work on campus via our Aber Works opportunities, right through to the Aber Forward one-year interns programme, there's something for everyone. In addition to degree courses that offer an integrated industrial year, our Year in Employment scheme, or YES, is available to students on absolutely any course. With it, you're allowed to defer your studies and work in a professional role for a year, coming back after that to complete your final year. Though this may seem daunting, those who have participated tell us that they only come back more enthusiastic and motivated. A previous participant had this to say: "The Year in Employment scheme has allowed me time to reflect on why I chose my degree subject. I feel refreshed and I'm looking forward to the continuation of my studies. It is the yes which has given me the confidence to approach final year and the graduate recruitment process with enthusiasm." Throughout your degree, your career-related progress is monitored not only by the Career Service and the specific careers consultant who is dedicated to your department, but also by your tutor in all of the meetings you have with him or her throughout your time here. Your personal development and the experiences and skills you gain through the diverse activities you engage with during your time here are all relevant to your progress and to the possible paths open to you in the future. Monitoring these means that your time with your careers consultant can be tailored to your skills, needs and prior experiences. So as you can see, your options are as flexible as we can possibly make them. We're committed to preparing you as best we can for your future, wherever that may be. All you need to do is seize the opportunities that most appeal to you. The most important thing to us is that we support you throughout your time here and beyond to develop and enhance your skills, making you a more capable and competitive applicant in the national and the international job markets, and to give you the confidence to recognise your own strengths and convey those to others. If you have any further questions about the Career Service at Aberystwyth University and what we have to offer your personal development, stop by our Careers Office in the Students' Union anytime, or you can check out our website. Thank you for listening, and I wish you all the best with whatever you choose to do in the future.